Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In the last video, we learned how to install the Astra WordPress theme to your website, and before that we learned how to upload the theme from a zip file. Okay, now in this video I'll show you how to set up the home page of your website. Now the WordPress comes with the default front page that will show the latest blog post of your website. Now here you can see this is a demo website, and you will see two blog posts are showing on the front page of my website. Okay, now let me show you. These are the two blog posts that are showing here on the front page. Okay, now I have created two pages here. One is home page and one is contact page, and I want this home page to show as a front page of my website. Okay, now let me show you. This is the home page that I have created temporarily, and I want to set up this page as a home page of my website. So how you can do this, let me show you. Now let's go to the dashboard of your website, go to settings, then go to reading. Now you will see the default settings of your WordPress website is to show the latest post of your website. Okay, so let's change it to a static page. Okay, now select the home page, or select whichever page you want to set up as a home page. Okay, I have selected home as the home page. Okay, and I'll click on save changes. Okay, now you will see this is the current home page or the front page, and let me refresh it. Now this page is set as the front page of your website. Okay, so this is how you can change the home page of your website. Now we have two blog posts that we need to show. Now we need to set up a page to show the blog posts also. So what we will do, we will create a separate page called as blog, and we will show all the latest posts on that page. Let me show you how to do this. Go to pages, click on add new, enter the name for the page, that will be blog, and click publish. Now this is just a demo website, and I'm not using any fancy theme over here. I'm just using the default 2021 theme here. Okay, so now we have a new page, that is a blog. Now let's go back to the settings, then go to reading. Now post page, select blog. Okay, and click save changes. Okay, now let me set this blog page in the menu. Go to appearance, then go to menus, select blog, enter it here, and click save menu. Now let me refresh it. Now you will see the blog page here. Click on blog. Now this is the blog page showing all the latest posts on this page. Okay, so this is how you can set up the home page of your website. Now in the next video I'll show you the best free web page builder that you can use for the WordPress site. So see you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section, and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.